A very good morning, students. Welcome back to our EVS revision class. Okay, we have started the revision in old book. I told you all, if you don't have a new book, you can start with your old book. I told, right? And I gave you all portions also. It is lesson number 1 to 5. And next, I gave the pattern, 5 mains which you get for your test. Right? 5. So read 6 mains. Fill in the blanks. Choose the correct answer. Give one word. Missing letters. Write true or false and answer the following 6 mains. In this, we have done revision also 3 mains. Right? One is fill in the blanks. Choose the correct answer and give one word. We have completed. Now take out your revision book. The same thing which you wrote in the last class. Take out. Right now, the 4th main. Which is the 4th main in your pattern? It is missing letters. Right? Missing letters. Missing letters, just like the words I'll write, you can practice. Perennial. B-A-S-I-N. Basin. G-L-A-C-I-E-R. Glacier. P-L-A-T-E-A-U. Plateau. Fifth one, A-D-A-T-A, adaptation, sorry. A-D-A-P-A-T, A-G-A, adaptation. Okay. Sixth one, habitat, H-A-B-I-T-A-T. Okay. I won't write which is the answer. You have to practice all these words properly. In the question paper, I may give which one as an answer. Any one I can give as an answer. Okay. I can give a blank for any letter. So, practice well. In this 6 missing letters, you will be getting. It is perennial. Once again, I'll repeat the spellings. P-E-R-E-N-N-I-A-L. Perennial. B-A-S-I-N. Basin. G-L-A-C-I-E-R. Glacier. P-L-A-T-E-A-U. Plateau. A-D-A-P-T-A-T-I-O-N. Adaptation. H-A-B-I-T-A-T. Habitat. Okay. Now, next main. What it is? 5th main. Write true or false. Yes, no? 5th main is write true or false. Again, you have to write the heading. You have to write. I am not writing. You have to write and start with the first one. Plants cannot make food without sunlight. Is it true or false? True, no? Without sunlight also it can't make the food. Even though it have water, minerals, air, carbon dioxide, everything it have also, it needs sunlight also, right? So it is true. Plants cannot make food without sunlight. So sunlight is also necessary. Plants take in oxygen during photosynthesis. Plants, what it takes? It takes oxygen? No, it releases out oxygen. It gives out oxygen. So, what it breathes? Carbon dioxide. So, it is false. Plants take in oxygen. They have given no. Plants take in carbon dioxide. Third one. The dodder plant does not have chlorophyll. The dodder plant does not have chlorophyll. Yes, they don't have chlorophyll. Fourth one. Cactus is a aquatic plant. Is a cactus aquatic plant? No, it is a desert plant. False. Fifth one. Plants that live on land are called terrestrial plants. Yes, the plants which live on land are called as terrestrial plants. Yes, no? See, I'll repeat once again. Fifth main, it is right, true or false. First one, plants cannot make food without sunlight. True. Plants take in oxygen during photosynthesis. False. The dodder plant does not have chlorophyll. True. Cactus is an aquatic plant. False. Plants that live on land are called terrestrial plants. True. Okay. This is your missing letters and true or false. Now next main. What is the next main? In your pattern it is sixth main. What it is? Answer the following. Copy down this and write the next main heading. Answer the following. If you are still writing, you all know, no, you can pause the video and you can copy down. And if you have read the worksheet, if you have written the worksheet, you may get all this. You can remember, yes, it was in worksheet, right? If you are writing very slowly, mark down in your worksheet and you can write in your revision. Understood? Now, next main, answer the following. Write the heading, answer the following. First one in that. Where do plants store all the extra food? This is the question. It is in your lesson number 1. Where do plants store all the extra food? Where? Where? In the first chapter I have told you where it will store. It stores its food, extra food in other parts of plants. It is like stem, leaves, root, flower, fruits, vegetables, right? It stores the extra food in other parts of the plant. Plants store all the extra food in roots, stems, leaves, fruits and seeds of the plant in the form of starch. Okay. Now, the second one, what are adaptations? What are the adaptations? What we learned, adaptations means the special features. Plants are created with the special features to survive in that environment. That special features are called adaptations, right? Plants have some of the special features to adjust in that environment, to survive in that environment, right? That special features are called adaptations. Write down. Plants are created with special features that help them survive in their environment. These special features are called adaptations. Okay. Second answer, I have continued there. Plants are created with special features that help them survive in their environment. These special features are called adaptations. Okay. Now, third one. Name the neighboring countries of India. The neighboring countries of India are which? The neighboring countries of India are Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, and Bangladesh. This is all already given in the classwork. Okay. We have selected only each one. That's it. Next is fourth one. What are the tribes found in Sikkim. The three main tribes found here in Sikkim are Lepcha, Bhutia, and Nepali. Over. Only 4 question answers. Okay, only the 4 question answers for your revision. In this 4 question answers, you will be getting. Okay, not all the 4 also. You may get 2 or you may get 3. Okay, you will be getting in this 4 question answers. So, starting of the revision only, I told it is very less. The portions is only 1 to 5 chapters, but you are not reading all 5 chapters. You read worksheet, revision, and the question answers. The revision question answers which I gave, now worksheet part. It is more than enough. Okay. Now I'll read the question answers. 5th to 6th main, answer the following. I think you all have written the heading also. First one, where do plants store all the extra food? Plants store all the extra food in roots, stems, leaves, fruits and seeds of the plant in the form of starch. Second one, what are adaptations? Plants are created with special features that help them survive in their environment. These special features are called adaptations. Third one, name the neighboring countries of India. The neighboring countries of India are Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh. Which are the tribes found in Sikkim? Fourth one. Answer. The 3 main tribes found here in Sikkim are Lepcha, Bhutia and Nepali. Okay. And now today's homework which you are getting is 4th main and 6th main. Okay. These 2 mains, write 5 times. These 2 mains, write 5 times in your homework. Okay. Each true or false, 5th main leave. 4th main, it was missing letters. 6th main, answer the following from your revision. Okay. You have to write it each 5 times. Okay. You all understood? Copy down this fast. Copy down and start practicing. And I'll stop my class here. You can practice and write down the homework also. If you write it 5 times, it is more than enough. Practice also over for your test. Okay. Thank you, students.